Palo, Saskatchewan, July 21st, 2015, a Tuesday afternoon along about coffee time, but we'll get no coffee in Palo. Down there is the sodium sulfate extraction plant on the shore of White Shore Lake, about 2 miles away. Also known as Glauber salt, it's essential in glass and soap making and in the craft process of paper pulping. In 1919, tests revealed that the lake was rich in 97% pure Na2SO4 deposits. And in the mid-30s, a bigger-based businessman, J.W. Miller, formed Midwest Chemicals and built the extraction plant on the lake. The sodium sulfate was wagoned to a siding here at Palo until 1948, when a spur was built down to the plant. The spur is still in use and leaves the High Line here about a mile eastward on the other side of the siding. This is Canadian National's main line through Western Canada. It was laid down by the Grand Trunk Pacific in 1908 and taken over by the CNR in 1923. This is the Grand Trunk Pacific's famous alphabet line because so many of the stations are in alphabetical order. Oh, it looks like a thermite weld in this 136-pound rail. Oh, big old tangle of page wire there. There was never any elevators at Palo. In fact, there was nothing much except perhaps a multi-denominational church somewhere in the neighborhood. And in 1917, the Grand Trunk Pacific dropped off a freight passenger shelter at mile 16.3 of what is now called the Wainwright Sub. The station was removed in 1987. That's busy Highway 14. Bigger is about 25k to the southeast down there. Saskatchewan, another 100k beyond that. There was a post office here opened by W.G. Newcomer, possibly in the railway station, on June the 1st, 1923. It was closed on June 28, 1968, Lloyd Warren being the last postmaster. I guess that must be the foundation of the old salt loading dock from years gone by. Oh, what's that? Aerial patrol? Maybe. And confirmation that it is a 136-pound rail. In 2007, the family-owned Midwest Chemicals was taken over by Nanostructured Materials, which maintains production down on the lake. A ward of the rural municipality of Rosemont, number 378, Palo, Saskatchewan.